Hello everyone. March 23rd, 2024. You are looking at a new set of windows that were just installed over the last couple days at the old Smith Cleaners building, which has been abandoned. Well, not abandoned, but kind of vacant for years, at least the second half, the lower portion of it. So yeah, substantial changes there. I tried to get some video of the actual installation process, but there were a bunch of people working and I didn't want to bother them. Yeah, look at those windows. Very modern. Nice modern upgrade. I still like the old unpolished vintage look, but you know, putting in new windows is better than putting in a new building, as I like to say. Something like this, I'm so glad that they're preserving the building and just upgrading it. So we'll see where it goes. I'm not sure what's going to go in downstairs here, but any of you know, let me know. Let's try to get some shots of the interior. By the way, I'm loving this March snow, late March snow. Just kind of making up for the winter we didn't really get. All right, let's take a peek inside. Not much to write home about, but yep, they're gutting the inside as well. Over the years, I've done a couple videos on this place, and this will probably be the last one for a while, but I really just wanted to show you the transition, the progress that's happening here. Anyways, that's it. I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.